Hi Echo 3D community, Megan here, excited to share a new enterprise feature with you. One of Echo 3D's most loved capabilities is version control, which lets you revert to previous versions and compare changes side by side. We've just made this even more powerful with a new Save as New Version option. Now you can take a snapshot of your current state and save it as a new version before making changes. For example, if I want to add metadata to this silver car, but preserve the original, I can first capture that version, then proceed with my updates. Simply click the New Version Plus button and select Save as New Version. Think of it as a snapshot in time, giving you the flexibility to experiment confidently, knowing you can always return to a saved version whenever you need. Try it out today for free at echo3d.com.